Are you dreaming of living and working in the United States permanently? A green card can help make that dream a reality. Here's a step-by-step guide to obtaining a green card. Step 1. Determine your eligibility. There are several ways to qualify for a green card, including family sponsorship, employment-based sponsorship, and asylum or refugee status. Step 2. File a petition. You will need to file a specific petition with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, based on your method of eligibility. You'll need to submit supporting documents and pay the required fees. Step 3. Wait for processing. USCIS will review your petition and conduct background checks. You may need to attend an interview or provide additional information. The interview will take place at a USCIS office and may last for up to 2 hours. During the interview, the officer will ask you questions about your petition and supporting documents, as well as your background and qualifications. The purpose of the interview is to verify the information in your application and to assess whether you are eligible for a green card. Step 4. Attend a biometrics appointment. You'll need to provide fingerprints, photos, and other biometric information. Step 5. Wait for a decision. USCIS will notify you of its decision on your petition. If approved, you'll receive your green card in the mail. Remember, the green card application process can be complex and lengthy. It's important to seek legal advice and guidance to ensure that your application is complete and accurate.